Riu kuri na njanjo cia kuigana gukinyira makirima a Kenya aria metereire njanjo ya keri. Umuthi ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yamukirire njanjo 180 kuma kuri thirikari ya bururi wa Greece kuhitukira ngwataniro ya COVAX.
I proudly say that we picked only one country in Africa for this donation, and this country was Kenya, as a token of our friendship between Greece and Kenya and the two nations.
And there will be a consignment from Latvia in the coming weeks, also financed through our mechanism. So I'll be hopeful to be at the airport again in the coming weeks to hand over more vaccines as they come through.
Akiamukira njanjo ici kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mwanya ya kuramata njanjo Dagitari Willis Akwale augite njanjo ici ciukite ihinda-ini riria riagiriire o riri gikiro kia utabania wa homa ya corona gikiririirie kwambatira.
We are in the second phase that began in July. We want to vaccinate as many people as possible and as quickly as possible.
Maafitha a urigitani rundu umwe na maafitha a ugitiri hamwe na a Kenya aria makinyetie miaka 58 guthie na iguru rundu umwe na arutani ni gatagatika aria maratanyo gukorwo makiamukira njanjo yao ya keri.
Teachers will be told where to go to get their vaccination, and I think next week, most likely a day like Thursday, I'll be in TSC and we will launch that collaboration to get as many teachers vaccinated as possible.
Thirikari itanyite gukorwo iheanite njanjo milioni 10 gukinyeria muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Ino ario yo njira ya kuhitana na king'uki giki.
It is now your decision to save first your life and to be responsible in the fight against this pandemic. Because the more people we vaccinate, the safer the world it is going to be for everybody.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, muthikabu wa kanitha wa ACK Joseph Kifushwa nioritie thirikari gwitikiria andu kiumbe kurehe njanjo guku bururi-ini niguo gutigirira ati andu aingi o ta uria kwahoteka ni mamukirite njanjo.
Ndiwe kira giatumire thirikari yuge aria mangivota ku import vaccine matika import. Yuga ni kaba mangietikio ma import as long as they make import vaccine njega. Tondu maybe 50% ya andu a Kenya ni mangivotete kuigurira na makatheco.
Uge uyu ukinyitwo baru ni mubunge wa Kirinyaga ya gatagati munene wa Mbugu uria ningi utariria ati kuri na mifango ya gutigirira Kenya ni irathondeka njanjo.
Tondu andu meguthia mbere guciaro murimu no guthia mbere ukorwo wikuo tukorwo no tubote gwethondeka ndawa tureka vaccination na to COVID ona tene kwa na polio na tukwa ndawa citu tureka vaccination ciana ciao ni the sababu cia measles koguo no tuge ati ndui murimu rokire gafura.
Mekwaragia o hindi ya igongona ria kugirwo horo Canon Johnson Marisho Mwangangi kanitha-ini wa ACK St Thomas Kirinyaga. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.